Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farzana from Beauty Stubborn by Farzana. Today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows regularly. So for that we'll need a brow pomade and a spoolie and an angle brush. Here I'm using a dark brown color because my hair is a bit in a brownish side. So I brush my brows in downwards first, then I am drawn a line at the top of my eyebrows and it down to the tail. And you don't need everything that I am using here. You can do exact same thing with a brow pencil. And when you are happy with the outline, you have to brush with this spoolie very gently. And now we are going to underline the lower part of our brows. I am being drawn a line at the lower of my brows and fill the rest. So I put a little more product on my brush and I start drawing little hairy strokes at the front of my brows. Next I'm going back on my upper brows and gently drag the line toward the front part. Next, with the help of a spoolie, I am gently blend the brow products. Now it's time to clean up with a concealer. I like to use my EYEBROW HD concealer because it's light and full coverage. For beginners, go with the small areas and blend it with fingertips.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Here I am using clear aloe vera gel as a eyebrow gel. You can use any of eyebrow gel that you like. So that's it for the video today. It was a highly requested video, so I did this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any request, then do let me know in the comment section below. See you on my next video. Bye.